How to see delete for everyone messages on WhatsApp without any app. So if you really want to see the deleted for everyone message on WhatsApp, then you have to check the notification history. For that, go to settings on your device and then scroll down and select notifications and status bar. Here, select the more settings option and here under more settings select notification history. So once you toggle on the notification history, we will get all the notification history from different apps. From here you can locate the WhatsApp notification history and get the delete for everyone message, and you can easily see from here as well. If you don't find in this way, then the only method we have got is installing the third party app. You can simply open Play Store, and on the Play Store you need to search for WAMR app. You can easily install the application of WAMR. So you can launch and grant all the permissions on this WAMR app. Then you need to select WhatsApp to restore the notifications, where after that every message you receive on WhatsApp including the deleted message will also be available on that application restore. So you can see those deleted for everyone message on WhatsApp with the help of those third party app. So this were the two way that help you to see the delete for everyone messages on WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.